Hi kids, I am Boo. Today, let me introduce you to the use of capital letters and full stop. Capital letters. We already know capital letters of English alphabet. So let us read where to use a capital letter. We use a capital letter at the start of a new sentence. Example, I am a tall girl. There are many flowers in the vase. Kids, you can see that in both the sentences we are starting with the capital letter. We use capital letters when we write names of any place, people or things. Example, Boo, Rose, India. Kids, you can see in each word we use capital letters in the starting because they are names. Full stop. We use the full stop sign after the end of a sentence. Example, I write with a pencil. She is playing with a ball. Kids, you see, in both the sentences, we used the full stop sign after the sentence ended. Always remember that after full stop, we always start a word with a capital letter. That was great to learn. We will be back with more videos soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.